Now, here's a company, Waste Management, that has been able to really help solve a lot of disposal problems over the years, and they're right on the verge of solving yet another problem. You know, the thing that's happened over the last few years, so many people are using compact fluorescent lamps, or CFLs, and they certainly have been proven to save a lot of energy, and they last a long, long time. But once they finally burn out, disposing of them properly has been a problem because they contain a small amount of mercury. But Waste Management has developed a system that's going to make this a lot easier. Basically, it's a box that you buy, and in the box, which can be positioned right on the shelf next to your CFLs, is a little foil liner. And once the CFLs do finally burn out, all you do, open it up, drop this in. Once it's filled up, you seal up the box, put it in the mailbox, and postage is prepaid right back to Waste Management to make sure this ends up where it should. They've also done the same thing for household batteries, so this is just a great solution to a problem that's really gotten bigger and bigger over the last few years.